Today, factory floors face many challenges like delays, wasted time, and not meeting targets. But what if you could turn all that confusion into smooth and efficient work? Step 1. Use data to your advantage. Smart sensors and AI tools help you get useful information from every machine. Step 2. Plan better and work smarter. Digital models and augmented reality remove guesswork and help everything run more smoothly. Step 3. Support your team's potential with automation. Robots take care of repetitive work, allowing people to focus on more valuable tasks. Step 4. Resolve the issue as soon as it occurs. Real-time data and smart maintenance help keep your shop floor running all the time. When you use new technology, your shop floor works better, more production, lower costs, and ready for the future.